vibes leader.
Anytime you see him, Bermuda him left from. Years. Family.
Everybody know I'm moving for the beat. Shoot them out that way. I'm on people time now. I'm not waiting for nobody else. What's the stage? What's the stage? Hey, 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 hey. Yo, oh my God, yo, move on my way. Move on my way. We get down to the good side street with it up. Y'all like that, right? Y'all like that, right? We're just getting started. Start Ashley on her way, alright? DJ Fake the Future Sack.
Yeah, people, you don't know 3 weekends 2023. Be a vibes, DJ Fade. You know what I mean? New Jersey, let them know what I want. DJ Fade, what happened? Yo, this is DJ Fade the Future, Dream Weekend 2023. You see the vibes, you see the beautiful women. Yo, every year it goes down in Negril Jamaica. DJ Fade the Future, at DJ Fade the Future. Follow me. Follow the ladies as well. Put your Instagrams, put your Instagram.
Hi. Big up Dream Weekend. Big up Dream Weekend. Thank you for having us every year. Thank you for having us. Pop, pop, pop. Listen, we are here for the vibes, some vibes, some vibes.
Yeah, people. As I can see, DJ Fade with the demon them. Yeah. New Jersey representing Dream Weekend 2023. Yeah, hear my dog. Yeah. Skip, 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 skip. Whoa, come. Hey, come. Man, now let me out. Skip. Hey. Hey, what's your vibes? Boy, what's your vibes? What's your vibes? How be your vibes? R&B. Hey, a reggae vibes. 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 How be your vibes? What's a DJ Fade? We're not done with you, you know. So more you tell the people them about the experience in Jamaica 2023. You see me, I say, what they are? Tell the people them.
So this is my third Dream Weekend. The first time I was a patron. The second time I invested myself to come out here because I believed in myself. I believed in the vision that Dream has and what they bring for tourism and board. And that's what I want to be. I want to be a liaison for America or anywhere in the world for people to come in Jamaica and see that you cannot get these vibes anywhere else. The dancing, the food, the culture, it's one of one. So this is only the beginning for Dream, and I'm with them in the long run, and I wish all of them the best, and I'm really proud to be a part of this, man.
Yeah, I love the energy, people. You hear that? DJ Fade from New Jersey. I tell about the energy, you know what I mean? The aspiration we have, and it just stay out with the vibes. Hey, man, the bang, boy. Yay. In on the river, Monday.
Reggae Vibes Media, DJ Fade the Future. You know the thing, go!
Our world.
Reggae Vibes Music.
Oh, yeah. Remember good no man. Yo, my chief pass for the keys.
Watch your road. Road of it. Me no care. All when a 10,000 people me tank, me now watch no fears. Come here fi touch road every day of me life, fi go run the place. Road of it burn, road of it light. I coulda morning, noon or night. I just happiness alone and do it, we no come fi fight. When them in on them bed a dream and they a dream weekend, them me at the bus stop I watch me speed past them. Me iron like Zion but a weak at them, and some weak at them, a peer weak at them. Money enough, drinks enough, gal buff up. famous, you not have no girl. Just shut up. Party from Monday night till Monday night. I run out now, bar restock up. Y'all enough like sun rain. With the good brain, if you need me, if you explain that means say you cool him. Go walk acting, the girl them no active. No take up while you can't manage or else you get your back strained. Y'all lay enough like sun in a beach. From them say enough girl, you know me have to reach. Have to reach, me have to reach.
Sometimes you feel like you up. Sometimes you feel to kill yourself down. Sometimes sorry. We don't want nobody can tell me nothing of me yesterday. One party and have fun. Pocket fat, fluffy door. And no care alone for look back. Low stress, I was stress I go. 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 Go home, copy it, get fresh, you just get paid. Look how hard you work every day. Know you get the chance, make we go copy highway. Find some party, make we go copy place. Any day I fi chase, the girl you fi brace. Take out the money, nothing free, if that the case. All day upon the slave, and you want to escape. Now you are running bank account, you the money to and I sing this, Reggae vibes. Never worry about me, so when me have to do work hard, play hard. Nobody reach up on the corner like no stranger. You better get up, go for where you are. Why worry, you know see some money there. So we can just split fish shut down eyes. Hennessy bar rocks we provide. We have a style them with your girlfriend like. And I be a fat vehicle, my farm them drive. Put in the work, watch each other a stockpile. Money printing on me jeans, it can't hide. We no believe enough for make it a hype. Now left your team when the tour not fly. Bust a buckle if I that you like. Try no fi see me friend them still alive. Una drive up a girl pon the back of the bike. Millions I make and all we kill a time, oh God. Gorilla glue mixed with the blueberry make everyone feel merry, but we never drown. Step on a high level, so no cause, no trouble. My brother come can't them never some big and just split fish shut down high.
Big shout out to the Dream Team for having me. I love y'all. My name is DJ Fade the Future. Y'all have a good night. We're gonna party. Let's go.
Yeah, so there, 2023, you know what I mean, Dream Weekends and a beer vibe. I guess we will book up Wasi, Jamaica Wasi. So, shout out to them now, Wasi.
Wagwan. You don't know this is your girl. That's all Wasi, yeah? Dream Weekend. Turn up the note. Turn up. Yeah. Internationally, I feel international and Fuji.
Yeah, people, 2023, you know what I mean, Dream Weekends are our world, and that was Wasi.
Jesus Christ. Hold on there. Everybody know I'm moving for the beat. Shoot them out that way. I'm on people time now. I don't wait for nobody else.
And then she tell me why she texting me. Why she keep calling my phone speaking sexually. Every time I'm out, why she texting me. You call her Stephanie, I call her Stephanie.
people. Put up your hand and clap them like fuck. Go on, Mr. Nana. You know, she said, everybody say, rock, 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 hey, rock the world up, rock the world up, rock the world up, rock the world up. Listen, jump up on it, jump up on it, jump up on it. That's what I fuck very much for. Squeeze again. Everybody start lift the foot down, lift the foot down. Everybody go. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman forward, Batman pull up. Batman pull up, Batman pull up. Big up who they are from DC, DMV, Connecticut. Yo, yeah, put up, put on it out there.
This man from 90s, Machiavelli, they know what I have your mind.
Big up submit tune. Cause you don't know, say, if the tune not play, we can't dance. You hear that?